So we're not here to mourn. We're here to celebrate. My message to all of us here today is take what we've learned from Jacob. Let it make you a better husband, a better father, a better brother, a better sister, a better everything. May a 6-year-old boy become such a part of our lives that this community shows the rest of the world what hope is all about.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.